So creating a prompt in Curated is super easy. The easiest way you can do it is you can click on the plus icon and you can select prompt. These are all my existing prompts, as you can see. And next thing I'm gonna do is create a new prompt. So I'll just click on this plus icon here and I'll say, so the way you can simply write the prompt, or what you can also do is you can add input variables. So for example, if it's a repeatable thing I want, I can just use the variables option, as well as you can have a drop down with this pattern. And then if you want to do multiple steps, you can do this 3 dashes. So I'll show an example quickly. So first thing is I'll say insert transcript. So this is a scenario where I've recorded this video and then I want to convert that into post and X post or key feature list, extract key feature list or key bullet points. So I'll say insert transcript, then I'll say summarize key features and topics. Now I'll do 3 dash, that means it takes the next step. Then I'll say generate post and again 3 dash, and finally I'll say write a 500 word email newsletter, right? Now what I can also do is I can ask it to create a tone of voice, right? Again, you can add your own brand voice and persona or agent, but I'll just add it for example here. So tone of voice, I will add the line and then I'll say friendly, funny, right? So I've added this, and next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this prompt. You can also show or hide prompt. So if you're sharing with somebody, then it will hide that prompt if you don't want to show it to others. Like if you share it with somebody, you can say this is for the extension, right? So you can say which websites or stuff you want it active on. So I don't want it for extension, so I'll switch it off. And again these options you don't need to select. It's just, more advanced you get, you can use this functionality. So I'll say I just mainly need it for this chat function, so I'm just gonna remove the rest of it. You can also give it a name here. So I can say, again, if you don't fill it in, it will automatically fill in that as well. So I'll say transcript, I'll just say test because I already have my prompt converter. So I'll save this. There we go. So that prompt is saved. Now you just might have to refresh this. So now if I click plus, select the prompt, and let's see, there we go, summarize transcript. So that is the one. So once I select it, you will see this two options coming in, insert transcript and tone of voice. And if I click tone of voice, you can see it's already showing me the drop down. So you can create your workflows, create your input values, any of those things on your own. So I'll just say, let's make it funny. Now I've got this transcript that I downloaded. So I'm just going to copy that over, insert the transcript, tone of voice I've already selected, and I'll say insert prompt. Now what's going to happen, as you will see, again I've only selected single model for now, but you can do it multimodal as well. So I'll just say insert prompt and it will start generating the results one after the other. So I can close this now. Yep, it's all generated. As you can see, it's created everything. It's created the email that I requested, the post, and again, because I have already selected my brand voice and persona, here you can see curated brand voice and as a founder, and it has all my memory about who am I, what is curated. So it's got all this memory of myself. So based on that, it's created a very personalized, there you go. I didn't say anywhere I'm the Savan as a founder or anything, but it's picked that up. It knows who I am and it knows what curated is. So it's already picking up all that information. So this way you can automate so many workflows, whether it's your requirements documents, meeting notes, creating content, and all of that created in a consistent way, in a consistent brand voice.